Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and today, of course, was Patch Tuesday. Patch Tuesday is the second Tuesday of every month for security updates, and Apple has released its security updates last week. We have Android that has security updates also for May. Every operating system has its monthly security updates, if not more sometimes. So what is in the May 2021 Patch Tuesday? Well, across all of its different services, there is 55 security flaws across the different services in this software. So that's not just Windows, that is Office, that is .NET Framework, that is different services also, including Microsoft Edge and so on. 30 days. So that is also very critical right now, as these are very, very important to push the updates. Remember that not applying these updates means that when you go on the internet, you are vulnerable and you could actually have your computer have code injected to your computer, or have your computer controlled by somebody else. It's very important. These are the most important updates to apply to stay safe, and it's much more important to do that than actually have whatever antivirus you might have on your PC. So there's in the vulnerabilities, the ones that are stated here but not exploited yet are including .NET and Visual Studio Elevation of Privilege. There's a Microsoft Exchange server for those that are in the server side of things. Common Utilities Remote Code Execution vulnerability. So there's a lot of little things in there, and it's very interesting to see all that is needed. So what we have, of course, is .NET. We have HTTP.sys protocol stack. This is critical. There's another one in Internet Explorer if you're still using that. Scripting engine memory corruption, that is critical. We have a Hyper-V remote code execution, critical. So we have also a OLE automation remote code execution vulnerability, so in the Windows OLE. So lots of stuff, and there's a lot more things that are actually fixed. We have Windows Container, we have web media extensions, Microsoft Graphics spoofing vulnerability. These are important. Important means that it's more difficult to exploit. Of course, there's Office that has some of its vulnerabilities in here. So lots of little things to fix here to make sure that everything is all right and to keep your system safe. Please apply these updates. This is important to stay safe on the internet. Contrary to what a lot of people think, the Patch Tuesday updates, apart from, we had one with the printer problem for some very specific printers. I have been rather quiet in terms of problems in the last months. Were pretty good in general, so it has more to do with the optional updates that caused a little more issues with some people. But overall, the security updates, it might look like there's a lot of problems because I say it all the time: 0.5% of 1.3 billion people is still millions of people. So it looks like, that there's a lot of problems. And in reality, it's been very quiet in terms of problems over the Windows updates in the past few months. So don't start looking around for a lot of, of articles, alarmist articles. The reality of what I see here with all the background noise is there's nothing worse than in the past few months of security updates. There's nothing really bad happening. So apply these updates. It's important because this is what keeps you safe, much more than anything else. Thinking that your antivirus keeps you safe so you don't have to apply this shows how you have no idea what security is all about. Your antivirus is barely helping, and whatever antivirus you use, it's not true that it's really protecting you much. It's really those patches that do secure your PC, because you're blocking the possibilities of the bad guys from actually having access and control to your computer. One comment that I've seen is, well, I got a good antivirus because when there's these security holes, I'm protected. You're not. These holes are there. They're going to get in, and your antivirus is not going to protect you at all for something like that. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.